Hi guys, this is Phil from Blue Llama, and today I'm going to talk about what the hell is Zapier. So first of all, before we go into Zapier, let's talk about APIs. So APIs are something that enables software, two bits of different software to communicate with each other. So a lot of cloud-based software has these APIs which allow chunks of information to be, as I said, shared across the internet with other software. And this can be quite useful to do, but it tends to require quite a lot of coding and understanding of these APIs, and you need a developer to get the most out of it. However, Zapier has come along, and there are other providers as well, but Zapier is one of the leading ones, and it allows you to create these interactions, create these integrations with different software without the need for code. So it's quite a simple interface which allows you to take what they call apps. So it could be you want to connect your accounting software, say Xero, with Google Docs, or you want to create to integrate your CRM. So some event happens within your CRM. Say a new sales lead is generated, and then it could connect to your Google Calendar to create a calendar invite with that new lead. It could be your project management software. So once a task within your project management software is completed by a member of a team, that it sends you a notification in Slack. So there's all sorts of different integrations. I think there's like thousands of different software that it has integrations with, and you can make these really quite impressive workflows to get things done without human interaction. So, and one of the things that we're using it with increasingly is AI. So it now integrates with the likes of ChatGPT, the API from ChatGPT. So you can do lots of really interesting things. So in the middle stage between talking to two bits of software that you have, you can actually do interpretation. So a working example that we're working with, a media company over here, and we're using Zapier to sort of split up PDF documents. So one massive PDF document, it splits it up into separate documents based on text. So that's quite cool. And then once we've done that, then we are using ChatGPT to scan through these new documents and extract certain bits of information. So ChatGPT kind of understands what these documents are about, their property transactions, and it can then go, okay, so the vendor's this, the purchase price is this, the property name is this, and it can extract all this information and then put it into like a spreadsheet, or in our case, a JSON file, which is nicely kind of nicely formatted so that it can then be inserted into a database, and then that information can be interrogated through a website front end. So that's Zapier. It's a really cool tool. It's very low cost. I think they've even got a free plan. So it's something that can be really useful for small businesses to look into. And then especially now that we've got AI, that the potential to do stuff is really quite impressive. And it's something that we work with. We look at no code and low code solutions so that we can really develop things really fast and cost effectively for our clients. So if that is something of interest to you, then do drop me an email and we can have a chat about that. Thanks very much for listening. Cheers.